Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best P-Trap Clear is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a clean and odor-free home, silently working to prevent sewer gases from entering your living space, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a P-Trap Clear truly stand out, ensuring you make the most informed decision for your plumbing needs. Number 5. Green Gobbler Enzyme Drain Cleaner 1 gallon. Introducing a revolutionary drain cleaner powered by an enzyme-enhanced formula. It effectively tackles buildup and eliminates foul odors in your plumbing systems. Watch as it digests oils, fats, grease, and food waste within hours of application. This powerful formula works efficiently to keep your drains clear. Unlike harsh chemicals, our gentle yet effective formula is safe for all your pipes, septic tanks, and grease traps. It's the smart, safe choice for your plumbing. Improve the performance of your grease traps with our advanced enzyme technology. It promotes better separation of water and grease, ensuring smoother operation. Keep your septic tanks healthy and functioning optimally. It aids in the biological breakdown of organic material, preventing unpleasant odors and issues. We stand by our innovative and effective products. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This cleaner uses a powerful enzyme-enhanced formula to tackle tough grease and organic waste. It's designed to work effectively in sewer lines, septic tanks, and grease traps. If you're looking for a safe, non-caustic alternative to harsh chemicals for regular maintenance or to improve the efficiency of your plumbing systems, this is a great choice. What people say. The clear design allows for easy visual inspection of the trap. It effectively prevents sewer gases from entering the living space. The installation was straightforward, and it fits standard plumbing connections. Number 4. BLUEAIR BLUEAIR 211 iMax Air Purifier. Meet the newest addition to our top-performing Blue family, the Pure Max series. Experience our proprietary HEPA silent performance, now enhanced for even faster cleaning and significantly less noise. Enjoy a quieter environment with our Quiet Mark certified air purifier. It efficiently cleans large spaces, providing fresh air in as little as 12.5 minutes for a 635 square feet room. Our HEPA silent dual filtration technology delivers more clean air faster, using less energy than traditional HEPA filters alone. It's a smarter way to breathe. It effectively removes at least 99.97% of tiny airborne particles, including viruses and smoke. It also captures common allergens like pet dander, pollen, and dust, while the carbon filter tackles household odors. Take control with our smart app, offering features like scheduling, air quality monitoring, and filter tracking. You can even use Alexa for voice control. An intuitive LED display and a simple 2-button design make operation easy. Monitor air quality in real time with its advanced sensor and 5-color AQI indicator. What we like. This air purifier is built for performance, capable of cleaning large spaces quickly and quietly. Its advanced filtration captures tiny particles, pet dander, and odors. If you need to significantly improve the air quality in a big room, especially if you have pets, allergies, or are sensitive to smoke and cooking smells, this smart device offers comprehensive and convenient air purification. What people say. The clear design allows for easy visual inspection of the trap contents, making it simple to identify clogs or debris. The P-Trap effectively prevents sewer gases from entering the living space due to its water-sealing design. Installation was straightforward, and the clear material made it easy to ensure a proper seal at all connections. Number 3. KloudAway Freshwater Aquarium Water Clarifier. Tired of cloudy aquarium water? KloudAway is your solution for a sparkling clean fish tank. It works quickly to clear up hazy water, bringing clarity back to your aquatic environment. Our advanced formula targets floating particles, clumping them together. This makes them easily trapped by your aquarium's mechanical filter, resulting in visibly clearer water. It effectively removes uneaten food, dust, and other unsightly debris. Achieve crystal clear water by eliminating these common causes of cloudiness. Rest assured, our Clarifier is safe for all freshwater fish, turtles, plants, and invertebrates. It also preserves beneficial bacteria crucial for your aquarium's health. Maintain a pristine freshwater aquarium with our effective Clarifier. For detailed instructions and more, be sure to watch our video demonstration. Cloudy water can indicate new tank syndrome, leading to dangerous ammonia levels. Protect your fish with our recommended water conditioner. What we like. This product is designed to rapidly clear cloudy aquarium water by clumping together floating particles. It's safe for all freshwater inhabitants and won't harm beneficial bacteria. If your freshwater aquarium is experiencing cloudiness due to debris or uneaten food, and you want to achieve crystal clear water quickly, this Clarifier is an excellent solution. What people say. Went from cloudy to sparkling clear in about 2 hours. My tank was crystal clear by the time I finished eating my breakfast. Clears water quickly and super clear. Number 2. RectorSeal Easy Trap 83113 Trap Kit. Introducing the RectorSeal Easy Trap, designed for applications where condensate management is critical or required by code. It offers a simple and effective solution for your HVAC needs. Crafted with high-quality, durable Schedule 40 PVC fittings, this trap is built to last. Its thinner wall design makes it an economical choice for light-duty applications. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the watertight red caps, providing easy access for cleaning. The transparent trap allows for simple inspection, ensuring optimal performance. Keep your system running smoothly with the included flexible cleaning brush. It easily mounts for convenient access to clean a trap and drain pan outlet. Trusted by tradesmen, RectorSeal provides quality solutions for the HVAC market. This trap is specifically recommended for condensate AC drainline traps. Enjoy a clear, cleanable trap that offers exceptional value. It's the perfect, economical solution for light-duty condensate drain lines. What we like. This trap kit offers a simple and economical solution for condensate management in light-duty applications. Its transparent design and easy access caps make cleaning straightforward. If you're a tradesman looking for a cost-effective and easy-to-maintain trap for HVAC condensate lines, especially where a brush isn't essential, this option is ideal. What people say. The clear design also makes it easy to check for clogs or buildup. This RectorSeal trap was just what I needed as I had to retrofit it in between the two lines. It's adjustable of course until you permanently glue it in place, so it was very easy to fit to both sides that were stationary. There are sealed covers for convenient clean out, and the trap is clear for easy inspection. Number 1. RectorSeal Easy Trap 83114 Light Duty CRS Trap. Introducing the RectorSeal Easy Trap, designed for light-duty applications. It's the economical choice for managing condensate where pressure or code requirements are a concern. Installation is straightforward, and maintenance is a breeze. The watertight red caps offer easy access for cleaning, and the transparent design allows for quick inspection. Built with quality and durability in mind, this trap features robust Schedule 40 PVC fittings. Its thinner wall construction makes it ideal for lighter tasks. This kit includes everything you need, including a flexible cleaning brush. It's specifically recommended for condensate drain lines in AC systems. RectorSeal is a trusted name among tradesmen in HVAC, plumbing, and construction. Rely on our quality solutions for your professional needs. Get effective condensate management without breaking the bank. This trap is our most economical option, perfect for light-duty applications. What we like. This trap kit provides a convenient and easy-to-install solution for HVAC condensate drain lines. It features a transparent design with easy access caps and importantly, includes a cleaning brush for thorough maintenance. If you are a professional in the HVAC trade and need an economical, easy-to-clean trap kit for light-duty applications, the inclusion of the brush makes this a very practical choice. What people say. The clear tube on this RectorSeal 83114 Easy 113B trap kit is made from solid clear PVC pipe. This solid clear PVC material makes the trap far more reliable. I was surprised to see how much gunk this clear trap revealed had dripped from our evaporator after only a week, and how easy the trap is to clean with the supplied brush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.